Hello, everyone. How are you? I trust you are all doing great. James from JTS Maths Tutoring here. Today, we are going to be looking at the Calculus 1 limits and continuity problems. So let's get going. I've been given the limit of x squared minus 9x plus 14 over x squared plus 6x minus 7 as x is approaching 1. So we all know that our first point, of course, is direct substitution. So let's get going. If you sub in 1 into the numerator, you're going to get 1 squared minus 9 multiplied by 1, which is 9. So 1 minus 9, that's a negative 8 plus 14, which is going to give me a positive 6. Let me look at the denominator. 1 squared plus 6 multiplied by 1, that's going to give me 1 plus 6, which is going to be 7. 7 minus 7, which is going to give me a 0. Oh my God. So I can see that my direct substitution is causing a division by 0. So let me try other methods here. What if I factorize? Am I going to get some common factors where I'm going to do some cancellation here? Okay, cool. Let me see. If I factorize the numerator, I have x minus 7 and x minus 2 as my factors. If I factorize the denominator, I've got x plus 7 and x minus 1 as my factors. And I can see that there is no common factors right there. So what must I do now? All right, I can see that it is this factor x minus 1 here, which is problematic here. So what I'm actually going to do is that I'm going to consider the left-hand limit and the right-hand limit of this particular factor here. All right, so let's get going, guys. Let's see. All right, so I'm going to plug in my 1 there, and you see when it comes to that factor, this is the expression which I'm having here. And I want you to see from this point which I have here, what this means is that as x is approaching 1 from the left, the expression x minus 1 approach 0 from the left. So this is what I'm going to have right here. And boom, my answer is going to be negative infinity. All right, so this was from the left of 1. What about from the right of 1? You can see I've got this expression here, which simply means as x is approaching 1 from the right, the expression x minus 1 approaches 0 from the right. Okay, beautiful. Which is going to give me what here? A positive infinity. So now I can see from the left and the right of x minus 1, I'm not getting the same limit there. So what that means, look at what I have here. Since the limit of this is you're approaching one from the left and 1 from the right, they are not the same. We conclude that the limit does not exist. All right. I've also just decided to have it from a graphical point of view here. I want you to see something. All right. You notice something here. From the left of 1, negative infinity. From the right of 1, positive infinity. Boom. There we are, guys. Allow me to do what my mama taught me. A good visitor knows when to leave, or she would say a good dancer knows when to leave the dance floor. Till we meet again, be rest assured that at JTS Maths Tutoring, we are committed to keeping you mathematically informed. Adios, amigas and amigos.